Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we are transforming my hair. I am so tired of my hair. As you can see, I had done this blonde streak which ended up frying my hair and I ended up losing a lot of hair. This side looks pretty normal, right? And then look at how much hair I lost, you guys. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, no joke, I lost a lot of hair. Do I regret it? Yes, but it's okay. It was a one of a lifetime thing, but it's time to fix this and we're gonna do this. So I've never done layer cut hair on myself, so this is what you're gonna start with. You're gonna do a ponytail kind of to like the very front of your forehead and wet it as much as you can. I have curly hair, so it was a little challenging, but if you have straight hair, you'll be fine. So you're going to cut a very small part of your hair. I started with small cuts because I was scared that I was going to cut too much. Since my hair is curly, it's not like accurately like straight. So you're going to do another layer. As you can see, I parted my hair and I cut it a little bit more. So they're just long layers since my hair was already long. And I did have really bad split ends, but I would just try to cut as much as I could without losing too much of its length. Then I'm going to do it one more time here. As you can see, I parted the hair. I'm just gonna wrap the back that I already did and then do the front part. This is going to be my third layer. I wetted it more. I figured it out that the more wet the better and the easier to manage, and I just literally cut it. I got the scissors from Sally's. It was like, I think it was like 17 bucks. They were like the cheapest ones there, but I did want to invest in some. Right here I am going to do the front face bangs, I guess. I didn't want to cut too much because once again my hair is curly and I was scared that I was going to cut too much, so I just cut it a little bit. So you're going to cut the parallel to the same side that you're going to part, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you again that on the other side. But when you cut it, see, like right here, you're going to make sure that the part is parallel to the cut, like the same side. Does that make sense? And then you just trim the ends a little bit. So what I did next is that I ended up kind of like using a little guide so I can blend the hair in. I did blend it very slowly because I didn't want to cut too much of my hair. Just like this, literally like very little bit. I'm not a professional hairdresser, so I don't even know if this is the right way to do it or how they do it at the salon, but I literally went on TikTok, saw a couple of videos of some girls doing it, and I just kind of figured it out in my head on how to do it. So do this at your own risk, okay? For me, the end result was awesome and I really loved it. So I am going to show you now how I'm going to get rid of this ugly, very ugly blonde streak that I've been having for a long time. Now I'm going to get ready to color my hair. I decided to do a dark brown by Ion. It's a demi-permanent color. I put it all over my hair for 20 minutes. I didn't get it like completely all over my hair, but somewhat to where it's gonna freshen it. Right here, my hair's already washed from the color. You cannot see no more blonde, which is I'm so excited. And right here, I am getting ready to dry my hair. Honestly, for me, I feel like it's more steps because my hair's curly. But if you have straight hair already, you don't have to like do too much of the work. But for me, I do because my hair's curly. But it's okay. It's worth it. So I do have a blow dryer, which it looks crazy. Don't judge me. I had painted it all over it. But right here, I'm not trying to like be super perfect. I just want to extend my hair so it's dry, but it's also not curly, if that makes sense. Because I am going to do the curls and show you how the layers look and how I style it. Right here, I'm showing you how my hair is blow dried. I did find this Sally's deal, which I saved like 30 bucks on it. And you're gonna need clips for your hair because when you do these curls, you want to make sure they are drying. And you can also do them with hot rollers. This is my first time using this jumbo curler, so sorry if it looks a little crazy, but I think next time I'm just gonna go with hot curlers and leave it for a couple hours or whatever. It depends on your time, because you could do them at night or you can do them like before you go out or whatever. And you just literally like buy these little pins at Sally's and you pin your hair so it dries. I did forget to buy hairspray because I don't own hairspray. I haven't used hairspray in years actually. And so what you're going to do is literally like do parts of your hair and roll it up. And this is going to just help you set your curls. So here I show you how I do my first side. My hair is very thin. It looks thick, guys, but it's actually very thin. And I have to be careful, make sure I don't burn myself and all that good stuff. So it's very simple once you get the hang of it. I do recommend, though, that you get the longer pins from Sally's. I don't know why I chose the smaller ones, but I think that the longer ones will hold your curl in better. I did find myself using double of the pins on some of them because it wasn't long enough widthwise. So you're gonna look like a housewife, but it's okay because that's what we're trying to go for. I'm going to show you now my second side done already. Here I am, and I'm taking off my curls. I'm very excited to see the color with the haircut layers and styled. I haven't had this kind of style in like over 12 years, so I'm really excited. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love the bounce. No more dead looking hair, and now I feel bouncy, healthy. I feel sexy, and I feel like I just belong. I am back, baby. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.